If you have found this video, be rest assured that your angels loves you dearly, and that's the reason they have sent this urgent message just for you. So this is what I see. You're already taking small, gradual steps towards your goal. But inside your mind, you're still thinking when you will reach your goal or how you will reach your goal. So your angels wants you to know to completely be detached from your goal right now, to go on this journey and enjoy this journey. There are going to be challenges, opportunities coming up in this road that you are trading upon. But be rest assured, be optimistic, be hopeful, enjoy this journey, enjoy this process. The risks that you are taking today is going to be fruitful. You should not be disheartened, you should not be just focused on the result. Okay, the more you stay loyal and you stay consistent and persistent with your efforts, the more you'll be reaching closer and closer to your goals. There is at this moment a lot of experience that you still need to gain. You might need some kind of guidance from someone who is already skilled at this area, or you might have to enroll in some courses, something where you need some knowledge, you need some higher wisdom. And sometimes the best experience that you get is by conquering and learning through the challenges that will be coming upon. So this is the phrase where learning is the most crucial thing. Also, I see at this junction of time, you are already making some financial rewards, you are getting some monetary bliss, but you internally you're really satisfied and contented with it. At this junction, you should also start learning about financial management. We all, every one of us wants to make more money, earn more income, but the key to lead a long sustained financial bliss is by understanding financial management, how prudently you can probably save your money, invest your money, as well as wisely spend your money. So this is a skill that your angels also want you to understand and to indulge into. Whatever small sum of money you're earning right now, just start also investing and diversifying the money so that it can grow, and additionally you can also spend it to indulge in other activities of your life. So be wise with your money and learn money management. The more you gain skills, the more you also learn money management, you are going to become star or pro in the field where you're interested upon. You're going to make lot of stars blessings, and there'll be a synchronistic opportunities abundance coming and flowing towards you. Also I see is that you'll be in a phase of creativity, so your creativity and the skills which you have will get recognitions in the due course of time, and people who need to be aware and recognize your skills will be giving you the recognition as well as the reward in the due course of time. So you really don't need to worry about anything, everything is already destined by your stars, by your planets, synchronicities, and you just need to keep on giving your efforts, learning the things that you need to learn, and also financial management. Also at the end of the day, you have to collaborate, team up with multiple people, and progress and make your goal a success. There are a lot of people who like to work solo, and there are some people who like to work in team, but for you what I see is that teamwork will be more fruitful for you. Working with 2 to 3 people at least will be beneficial for you. Just make a cohesive and a collaborative system where you understand each other. Also I could also see some kind of celebration in your home, could be some kind of marriage or engagement, could be a baby coming in your life, something like that. A celebration is on the card. The more you start understanding people and collaborating with them, they're going to see the love and light within you, and success is on the card and on the destiny for you. So this is a message which I get from the spiritual realm. I hope you found it helpful. For more, you can like and